everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious Masaledar Cauliflower and potato sabzi. Or typical Punjabi, we call it Gobi or Aloo di sabzi. So this recipe will be entirely different the way we make Gobi Aloo sabzi. If you try it and you're going to like it. So we're going to peel the potatoes and cut into small pieces. Same thing with the cauliflower. Since I have a jumbo sized cauliflower, I'm going to use half of it. 1 onion, ginger, green chili, cumin seed, spices for masala dabba, and olive oil for tadka. I peel the potatoes and cut into small chunks and submerge into cold water so they won't get discolored. As for cauliflower, gobi, I use half of it. I wash with the cold water, drain the water. First, we're going to use the dry ingredient to marinate potatoes, which is aloo, and the cauliflower, which is gobi. This is the tip I wanted to share with you. This is black pepper container. Now I'm going to put spices inside. Pink salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, red chili flake. Once we added all the spices, so now I'm going to close it, combine it. So that's going to be our marination spices. How much I use? Please check it out in my description. I always list my ingredient list under description. So now we're going to bring the potatoes. I drain the water. We're going to sprinkle it. Just like this. So this way it will be coated. We're going to mix it. Once it's combined, we're going to mix it again. The whole reason I'm doing this way each potato, each aloo is nicely coated. But if you just dump it, then some potatoes, they won't be coated well. So as you see, our potatoes are nicely coated. Take out into separate plate. And we're going to repeat the same process with the marination. So now we're going to close it. Same process. Combine it, and that is our marination. Get the mixing bowl again. So now we'll bring the cauliflower. If you just add spices from masala dabba just like this, then it will get collected at one floor. It's not going to coat the others. By doing this way, it's evenly coated. It's nicely sprinkled. We're going to mix it. So we are done. I added all the spices into the cauliflower and the potatoes. We really don't need any spices into our sabzi. Only spices I'm going to use, which is garam masala. Get a karahi or wok, start gas, add olive oil. This is strictly optional. Unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted, add potatoes. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined with olive oil and butter, bring your gas to medium, cover with the lid, cook it for 5 minutes. With the cover lid, cooking for 5 minutes, I'll open it, mix it, bring the gas high, and cook additional 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes cooking on high gas. Now I'll bring the gas to simmer. I'm going to pull these out on a separate bowl. So once we take out, now we're going to use the same oil and the masala. Now add cauliflower. Bring your gas high. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas to medium. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. With the cover lid, cooking gobi, cauliflower for 3 minutes. Mix it well. You don't need to cook too long. Cauliflower don't take that long. In the same bowl, I'll put it gobi, the cauliflower. Once we took it out, we're going to use the same karahi. I'll add olive oil again. You can use any vegetable oil. Bring your gas high, add cumin, jeera. Give like a 10 seconds, add ginger. Mix it well. Cook ginger also for 10 seconds. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. Cook onion until they are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 2 minutes. I'll add green chili. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cook 1 more minute. Another minute of cooking. This is the way you want the onions. Add cauliflower and potato. Bring your gas to medium and mix it. Once it's nicely combined with tadka, add garam masala. Sprinkle all over. Mix it again. Once garam masala is nicely combined, the last ingredient, cilantro, dhania. Good amount of dhania, the coriander leaves, and our dish is all ready. Mix it. I'm going to turn up the gas and I'm going to dish out. This is very tasty Masaledar cauliflower with potato. Aloo, Gobi the Sabzi. Please try it this way. One thing I want to share with you, this way the Gobi, Aloo, they stays firm. And if you look at Aloo, they are very nicely cooked. Cauliflower is not mushy. When this vegetable is mushy, then it does not taste well. Have my serving platter ready and look at this. Delicious Aloo Gobi the Sabzi. Let me share with you. Cauliflower and potato sabzi is all ready. Please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.